On behalf of ExpertVillage.com, my name is Allison at Western Art Glass, and at this step we have finished everything, which means our hook was the last thing we did. So I'm going to turn my soldering iron off. I'm going to put that aside. I'm going to keep chemicals away from my soldering iron and keep them on different sides of the table. Anyway, make sure that you have used your okay? Flux is corrosive. It's a chemical. You want to neutralize that, so make sure that you clean it real well, okay? Scrub it. You want to make sure that you truly get all of it, okay? Clean it really, really well, okay? It makes all the difference in the world, okay? You wipe them all around this thing, okay? If you don't have a flux remover, please start with denatured alcohol. So you're going to find that your local stained glass store and your hardware store are going to be your best friends and your favorite places to shop. So anyway, get familiar with chemicals, people, supplies, materials. It's all fine. So at this point, I'm getting this ready. I'm going to actually do what's called patina, or I'm going to change the solder to a copper color. You can do copper, you can do black, but on this one, because I put copper wire around the edge, I'm going to copper patina the solder as well. So get it all cleaned, and on the next step we will patina. So check it out.